everyone. Glad you came by today. Welcome to my channel, Carol's Art Room. It's all about acrylic pouring. So in today's video, I'm going to do a swipe, and I'm going to do it on a black background with some pretty blues and turquoise. They're opaque, so they should stand out good on the black, I'm hoping. So yeah, stick around and we'll get to it. Hi everybody. So I'm going to do my swipe on a tile, 6x6 tile. I'm going to pour down some black house paint. This is, I got a different black. It's a Beautitone black. It's from Home Hardware in Canada. I do a pseudo swipe, and then I'll tilt it. Okay, I have Blue Violet by Liquitex Basics. It's an opaque color. I have Americana True Blue Satin. I think it might be opaque too. I have Color Shift Aqua Frost. I'm not sure if this is opaque. I think it's probably a little bit opaque. And I have my Sky Blue Pearl. And I'm going to put in some white pearl Rust-Oleum, my Rust-Oleum white. Okay, so let's start with the basics. And oh, I think I put some pearl medium in here to make it a little shinier. I think I'll just go down the middle like this. I'm going to swipe it with some white, my new Cell Activator, my Zinsser and Floetrol white. Gotta try. I did it on a bloom and it works, so I'm going to try it on a swipe. The Color Shift Aqua. Probably got too much paint, too wide for this small tile. Oh well. And a little bit of the Color Shift, or no, the Pearlex. Now he knows. Oh geez, I hope I got the right, oh. I almost got them mixed up there. I almost put down my cell activator in there. Well, there's a little bit in there now. This is my pearl, I can tell by looking inside. All right, that's enough of that. Put my lid on that so I don't get them mixed up. Okay. I got a little card. Put my cell activator on it, on my card like this. This is just a paint chip. All right, let's see what I can do here. Oh, that's really pretty. And I'm going to go this way. Whoa, that's beautiful there. I don't know how it's going to be if I tilt it. And just lots of lacing, that's for sure. I just need a little bit. I'll go like this. Oh, I pushed that kind of hard, it's all black. Can always add, I'm going to add a little more paint here. And then I can pull one down this way. Okay, now did I put any white there? I don't think I'll put the white there. See which one I can use right here. Oh, that's pretty. I don't like this big white blob here. Oh, that's really nice there. Okay, so maybe now I will maybe I need maybe a little here. Oops. My pigments thickened up a little. I think for black, it's good to use opaque colors so that the black doesn't just take over if it's transparent. Now, let's see, I'll cut a new one. Cut them to size. Just tapping it in there. See what I can get here. That's nice. Just see the nice cells I got in my napkin when I wiped. Oh, that's really pretty. Too bad it might come off. Just a beating, I might pull some through this here. I'm gonna take my torch to it. Okay, so now I think Draw some lines. Okay, I think I'm gonna spin it. Whoa. I don't think I want to spin it anymore. Gonna lift it up. Oh, I think this is really pretty. I think I'm just going to leave it. I like it the way it is. It's so different. Pretty blue ones here. Lacing, and it turned like a gray there. Pretty white lacing there. Lines. Oh, I love it. There you go. My new cell activator worked for this technique too. So there you go. I'll put the dry result at the end of the video. I hope it's dry by tomorrow. I think I'm gonna post it the next day, so if it's not dry, then I'll just show you the next time I do a video. Anyways, have a good day, and please subscribe to my channel. Like, hit the bell for notifications, comment below, let me know what you think. All right, have a good day. Bye-bye. I'm gonna bring you in for a close-up. Sorry.